Welcome to our class, Amma. Now, some more problems are there. First one, 5000 minus 2436. Okay. Coming from ones, Amma. In your ones, 0 minus 6. 0 is a small number to compare the 6. Yes, 0 is a small number compared to the 6. So, you need borrowing from tens. Tens also 0. So here after borrowing this 0. Here any number is there? No. You are taking here. This is also 0 and here this is the borrowing place. Now after borrowing, this 5 is the 4. Okay. Here to here. It's a shifting, sir. It's a shifting. Okay. Now, like this. Now 10. Yes. This 0 is a 9. Here also 9. Because it's a shifting. Here 10, here 10, again here 10. So this one 10 minus 1 you get 9. Again your borrowing is gone. So 10 minus 1 you get 9. So after borrowing, this 5 is a 4, this 0 is a 9, this 0 is a 9, this 0 is a 10. So now 10 minus 6. 10 minus 10 minus 6. 10 minus 6 you get still here how many fingers are there? 4. So you should write in the ones 4. Now next 9 minus 3. So 3 after 2 you count up to 9. 3 after 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So you are getting how many? 6. Again 9 minus 4. Now 4 after 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So you are getting how many? 5. So what is your answer? 5. Now next 4 minus 2. You are taking first 4. You are removing 2. Still here how many are there? 2. You should write in the thousands 2. So what is your answer? 2564. Now next 1000 minus 780. So 0 minus 0 you get 0. 0 minus 0 you get a 0. Now next one number 0 minus 8. It's a 0 minus 8 is possible? No. So you need a borrowing from hundreds a thousand. From 1000. So after borrowing, this one is gone. 1 is gone. So 1 minus 1 you get 0. Here 10. This 10 nunchi malli again you are taking borrowing. So this 9 and this is 10. After borrowing, values are changed. Now 10 minus 2. 10 minus 8. So you get how much? 2. Okay. Now next 9 minus 7 also you get 2. 0. You put 0. Now next one. Here 3001 minus 1544. Now 1 minus 4. 1 minus 4. 1 is a small number, 4 is a big number. So 1 minus 4 is a possible? No. You need a borrowing from 3. After borrowing, this 3 is the 2. And this 0 is a 9. And this 0 is a 9. And this 1 is a 10 plus 1. You get 11. Now 11 minus 4. 11 minus 4. 4 after count it. 4 after 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10, 11. So you get how much amount? 7. You get 7. Write in this 7. Now next 9 minus 4. So 9 minus 4, you get 5. Again 9 minus 5, you get 4. Next 2 minus 1, you get 1. Now write it down. Now, which activity? Sorry, this is not activity 5, activity 2 amma. This activity 2, doing your test book, page number vachesi 35 amma. This activity 2, doing your test book, total problems, do it. Okay. Now, I will give 2 problems, that is doing your classwork and homework book. Okay. Please copy this first. Do this 2 homework problems. Okay, that is our homework book. No, thank you, Amma.